In Suizhou, Wanrui Auto Parts Company Limited, a high-consumption manufacturer, once faced challenges in green power utilization due to grid constraints. To address this, Risen delivered a tailored PV storage integrated solution. 7 C&I liquid-cooled energy storage units were deployed in a 3+4 system architecture, connected to the 400 volts busbars of two 10 kV transformers. The system integrates BMS, EMS, PCS, and SMS in a unified 4S design, ensuring comprehensive coverage from scheduling optimization to safety protection, while enhancing stability and reliability of power operations across the park.
大家好，我是湖北省随州市万瑞汽车配件有限公司的产品总监。我们公司用电量大，年耗电费用约在150万。为了降低能耗成本，进而提升市场竞争优势，我们建设了一个1兆瓦光伏配套1.505兆瓦时的储能项目，共采用了7台东方日升 iCon 215风扇叶储能设备。这套系统通过光储融合，实现了光伏发电优先消纳。这套储能设备不仅能跨变压器消纳，还可以通过风谷价差节约用电成本，同时推动了公司的绿色转型。储能项目投用后，每年为公司节省约45万元的电费。
With the project in operation, solar power is consumed more efficiently, and the power system has become safer and more flexible. For enterprises, the value of storage lies not only in reducing costs, but also in supporting stable production and advancing green transformation. Risen Energy will continue to partner with more companies to pursue a greener, smarter, and more sustainable energy future.